In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Google Business account. To get started, sign into your Google Business profile and open your business listing. Once you're inside the profile, look for the option that says Get Verified and click it. This is where Google will guide you through the verification process based on the methods available for your business. It's important to know that Google does not always offer every verification method to every business. The options you see can depend on your business type, location, and account history. So if your screen looks slightly different, that's completely normal. The key is to choose the available method that works best for you and then follow the prompts carefully. One common option is video recording. If this method is available, you'll need to record a continuous, unedited video using your mobile phone, usually under 2 minutes long. During the recording, make sure you show the outside of your business location, including nearby street signs if possible. You'll also need to show proof that you manage the business, such as unlocking the front door, and proof that the business is actively operating, like tools, equipment, inventory, or branded materials. Try to prepare these items in advance so the recording goes smoothly in one take. Another possible option is a live video call. With this method, you'll connect in real time with a Google support representative, often through Google Meet. You'll be asked to show the same kinds of proof: your business location, your access to the property, and signs that the business is actively running. Make sure you're in a place with a stable internet connection before starting, since interruptions can slow things down. If your business is eligible, you may also see phone or SMS verification. In that case, Google will send a code through an automated call or text message. Just enter that code when prompted to complete verification. Email verification may also be available. If so, Google will send a verification code to the business email connected to your profile. Open the email, find the code, and enter it exactly as shown. Another traditional method is postcard verification. With this option, Google mails a physical postcard containing a verification code to your registered business address. This can take up to 14 days to arrive, so be patient and make sure your business address is correct before requesting it. Whichever method you choose, follow each instruction closely and submit everything accurately. Once completed, wait for Google to review and confirm your verification, and that's how to verify your Google Business account.